VXRecord is a web-based call recording application for IP phone systems. Our affordable solution allows organizations to record calls for everyone or just a few extensions. You can search, playback, score, annotate, and email voice files from a user-friendly web-based interface. Use this new visibility to coach users to deliver the customer experience you require. Who needs call recording? Sales groups, customer support agents, educational institutions, government agencies, and more. Why? Well, call recording is a good idea for training purposes, customer satisfaction, order verification, and quality assurance. Let's take a look at the application. The main view is of all the call records I have permission to view. In the toolbar at the top, the highlighted record can be played, emailed, downloaded to the computer for offline listening, exported, or edited. Or when I click the play icon within the record, it opens up this pop-up, which allows the call to be viewed and played.
Good afternoon, VXTracker.
Hi, ma'am. Tech support, please.
Sure. Yeah, Michael will help you just a moment.
I can also make notes in here, I can rate the call, and I can do all the same functions from within inside this pop-up. From the toolbar, I can also search for a specific user. So in this case, I'll type in Patricia and see all the call records to or from Patricia. All of the columns can be sorted by simply clicking on the column headers to resort in ascending or descending order. Once the call is rated, I can sort by the rating column and see all of her calls with the rated ones on top. Then we can go to the Reports tab. We have these predefined reports. In my opinion, the most important one is the Rating by User report. This report shows each user and their average rating score. Here it looks like Will and Ken are my best reps because they both have 5 stars. It also looks like I need to have some coaching conversations with Rick and Rebecca about their 1-star average. All of the other reports in VXRecord are duplicated in the VXTracker application. I would recommend running these reports in VXTracker because the application offers other reporting features. We are currently working on integrating these applications so users will be able to find a call in VXTracker, and if they have permission to hear audio recordings, they can click a play icon and play the recording from there. One report that's great to run in VXTracker is in the Security and Compliance menu. There's a longest call report, most expensive, most frequent, calls that happen off hours, and others in here. Specifically, I've run this report for the sales group of VXTracker and the rest of the group for VXTracker, and I've put a filter on it, and I'm looking at all the calls that qualified for what we consider long, which in this case is over 45 minutes. So these 3 calls qualified as long calls for today for this group. This report can be printed, scheduled, emailed, exported to Excel, and saved. VXRecord is a web-based call recording system for IP-based phone systems. We currently are selling for ShoreTel and are adding Microsoft Lync, Avaya, IP Office, Cisco, and others soon. VXRecord captures call packets off the network. It's an easy-to-use web-based application. We will initially record and collect packets for all the calls, but you can license a subset of users and discard the other calls. We black hole extensions that you never want to have recorded, like an ethics line or a line for a CEO. You can search for calls to or from a particular user. Inbound caller ID is displayed if you have PRI trunks. And there's no limit to how long we keep recordings. It's a user-defined parameter, which is dependent on disk space. Here is a list of many of the call recording and playback features included in VXRecord. Everyone sounds better when they sing in the shower. Some of that is acoustics, but some of that is that the singer doesn't hit record and then play back the recording and listen to what they sound like. Same thing goes with sales calls or customer service calls. Add VXRecord. Give your reps the opportunity to critique themselves for 2 weeks. Then tell them you'll be scoring them. I bet if you go listen to a call from the beginning and then one 2 weeks later, you'll hear a big difference. For more information, please contact us at 866-489-8722. We'll work with you to find a partner in your area, or we'll sign up your favorite partner.